saying more, more, more. Hey, look, Rex. I'm Billy Idol.
Yeah, and I'm Lionel Richie. Hey, Roadie, you remember the 80s?
Oh, yeah. I love the 80s. Yeah, Rex. How long did Lionel Richie sit on the toilet?
All right, Roadie. How long?
All night long.
Hey, Roadie, you remember that band called Culture Club? With that goofy boy George?
Yeah, they had that song called Karma Chameleon. And you know what? I looked up the lyrics. Can somebody tell me what the hell they're talking about?
And we watched Sesame Street, and there was nothing questionable about Bert and Ernie living together back then.
Yeah. And people said they wanted to be gagged with a spoon. Why would a monkey fart would they want that? And yeah. In that movie, E.T. Phone Home. You know what E.T. is short for? 'Cause he has little legs.
Yeah, and you watched St. Elmo's Fire because you were in love with Demi Moore?
Well, at least I didn't cry at 16 Candles, 'cause you felt sorry for Ducky.
Remember when you wanted to be a Goonie, Roadie?
Are you crazy, you putz? I never wanted to be a Goody.
Psych.
Well, at least I wasn't the one that dialed 8675309 and asked for Jenny every day.
You got the number wrong. It was 8675309. And you know what else it said on that wall? It said the hamburger's always smiling because he...
Whoa, Jack, you gotta slow down. There's kids watching us. And remember when your parents brought you that yellow Pinto for your first car? Then it blew up? Hey, Rex, remember that Swatch watch I traded you for your puka shells? And remember I told you you could go back in time with it?
Yeah, I remember that, Roadie. So what you getting at?
We're about to party like it's 1999.